Happy morning, children. Today we will discuss the concept equally likely outcomes. Outcome means I told you, result means outcome. So, if a die is thrown, any of the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 may appear on the upper face. So, if I am throwing a die, any of the numbers may appear on the upper face. This is the upper face. So what has appeared? 5. So here it means that each number is equally likely to occur. See here, each number 3, 2, 4, 5, 1, 6. Whenever I am going to throw, there is a possibility that any number can come on the upper face. So, very nice here. However, if a die so formed that a particular face comes up most often, particular face comes up most often means what? Whenever I am throwing a particular number keeps on repeating again and again, then that die is biased. Biased means what? Partiality we say, no? You are also using this word many a times. So, the die is biased. Now, I am finding this statement very interesting. It's an inanimate object. Who is throwing? I am throwing. So, the person can be biased. Can the die be biased? But a statement is written here. See, then that die is biased. In this case, the outcomes are not likely to occur equally. Means what they are trying to say is the n number of times when I am throwing, if I am manipulating, I like say a number 2. It's my very interesting number. Number 2 is. So, all the time whenever I am throwing this die, I am getting this number 2 only. So, like this, 2 dots, 2 number. Or suppose if I like another number, I like the number 5. So all the time I am manipulating it and I am giving the number on the upper face 5. So I am being biased, right? But here they have said that the die is biased. In this case, the outcomes are not likely to occur equally. Means all these numbers will not occur equally. That is what we said. Here we assume, see, very important, we have to assume that objects used for random experiments are fair or unbiased. No partiality, unbiased and fair. It means when we are doing the random experiment, we should not be manipulative. We should be impartial. We should be true to whatever work we do in our life. So very simple statement is given, but lot of deep meaning is there. You have to be fair and unbiased. Okay? A given number of outcomes means what result we get. A given number of outcomes are said to be equally likely. If none of them occurs, in preference to others. In preference to other means that's what I said. People, they say, no, like you are giving chance to this person only, not to me, like that they talk about it. It's called as giving preference. Not to me, to my friend, more chances are given. That you all talk. For example, if a coin is tossed, now if I am going to toss a coin, I have to be unbiased, right? Possibilities of getting head or tail are equal. See, a coin is having two sides. So whenever I am throwing, a possibility is what? Either it's going to be tail or it's going to be head. So there are only two possibilities when I am performing this. So it's an unbiased random experiment. Now, a die having numbers from 1 to 6 on its different faces, just now I showed you all, is thrown. So whenever I am just throwing it, okay, there is no one is telling me I should have particular number as such. I'm just throwing it. I'm being unbiased. What any number can come. So there is a possibility of a number 1, a number 4, a number 6, a number 1 again. So I'm just doing it. So there is a possibility of getting any number. Check the possibility of getting one of the numbers. Here all the outcomes means all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these numbers, all the outcomes are equally likely. Okay, equally spelling is wrong here, EQUAH. Okay, that is the meaning of being unbiased, being fair, being impartial, and we have to be in life. That is the meaning from this concept of equally likely outcomes.